242 species in genus Amorphophallus. August 16th, Amorphophallus, the Titan arum, represents August 16th. Amorphophallus symbolizes uniqueness and transformation. You are bold and stand out in any crowd. Like this extraordinary plant, your impact is profound and memorable. The strange and wonderful world of Amorphophallus. My name is Vu, and I'm fascinated by the plant genus Amorphophallus. The name might sound like something out of a Greek myth, and you wouldn't be entirely wrong. It translates to shapeless phallus, a rather blunt description of the plant's unique inflorescence. But there's so much more to these plants than their unusual appearance. They're a diverse group with a fascinating biology and a surprising number of uses. A diverse genus. Amorphophallus belongs to the Araceae family, which also includes familiar plants like peace lilies and philodendrons. However, Amorphophallus stands out with its distinctive inflorescence consisting of a spadix, a fleshy spike bearing tiny flowers, and a spotted, a large, often colorful bract that encloses the spadix. This genus boasts a remarkable diversity of over 200 species, ranging from the gigantic Amorphophallus titanum, Titan arum, to the more modestly sized Amorphophallus konjac. They're native to a wide range of habitats, from the tropical rainforests of Sumatra to the savannas of Africa. See more at monsteraholic.com. A curious life cycle. Amorphophallus species are geophytes, meaning they have an underground storage organ, a corm, that allows them to survive periods of dormancy. This is particularly important in their native habitats, where they may experience distinct wet and dry seasons. The life cycle of an Amorphophallus plant is truly remarkable. It begins with the emergence of a single leaf, which can be enormous in some species. This leaf photosynthesizes and stores energy in the corm. After a period of growth, the leaf dies back, and the plant enters dormancy. When conditions are favorable, the plant emerges from dormancy and produces its inflorescence. This is often the most dramatic stage of the plant's life cycle, as the inflorescence can be quite large and striking. The spithe unfolds to reveal the spadix, which emits a powerful odor to attract pollinators such as carrion beetles and flies. After pollination, the inflorescence withers, and the plant produces a cluster of berries. These berries contain seeds that can be dispersed by animals. The plant then enters another period of dormancy before the cycle begins anew. More than just a pretty or stinky face. While Amorphophallus plants are often admired for their unusual appearance, they also have a long history of use by humans. As mentioned earlier, some species have edible corms that are an important food source in certain parts of the world. The corms can be boiled, roasted, or ground into flour. They're a good source of carbohydrates and are also low in fat. In addition to their culinary uses, Amorphophallus plants have also been used for medicinal purposes. The corms of some species are believed to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They've also been used to treat a variety of ailments, including diarrhea, dysentery, and snake bites. Conservation concerns. Despite their adaptability, some Amorphophallus species are threatened by habitat loss and overcollection. Deforestation and agricultural expansion are destroying their natural habitats. In addition, some species are collected from the wild for the horticultural trade or for their edible corms. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating plants. This includes habitat preservation, sustainable harvesting practices, and ex situ conservation, growing plants in botanical gardens and other protected areas. A continuing fascination. My interest in Amorphophallus continues to grow. I'm fascinated by their diversity, their unique biology, and their cultural significance. I believe that these plants have a lot to offer the world, both in terms of their beauty and their potential uses. I hope that through conservation efforts, we can ensure that future generations will be able to enjoy these strange and wonderful plants.